Look at the question number 6. Using suitable identity, evaluate 998 the whole cube. Question number 6. Using suitable identity, evaluate 998 the whole cube. So you can write like 998 can be written as 1000 minus 2 the whole cube. Am I right here? Yes. So it is in the form of what? A minus b the whole cube. A minus b the whole cube means a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. A cube minus b cube is a minus b the whole cube means a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. So a cube, that is 1000 cube, minus b cube, that is 2 cube, minus 3 into ab, 1000 into 2 into a minus b, that is 1000 minus 2. So 1000 cube, how many zeros? 9 zeros. Am I right here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Minus 2 cube is 8. 3 2s are 6. 6 into 1000, 6000. Then 100 minus, 1000 minus 2 is 998. Am I right here? Yes. Now multiply this again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Minus 8. 998 into 6000. Am I right? Yeah. 6 8 are 48, 4. 9 6 are 54. 54 plus 4. 58, 5. 9 6 are 54 plus 5, 59. Then it will be 598800. Now again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 zeros minus 5988008. Am I right here? Now again subtract now. That is how many zeros? 9 zeros. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here 8, 0, 0, 8, 8, 9, 5. Now it's 9, 9, 9, 9 here, 9 here, 9, 9, 9, 1. 10 minus 8 is 2, 9, 9, 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 9 is 0, 9 minus 5 is 4, then it is 9. Am I right here? Yes. That is 998 the whole cube. 998 the whole cube. Shall we check the answer once? Please try one. 998 the whole cube. 998 the whole cube. That is 994. I think here we missed out something. 9 minus 5 4. Here how many zeros? Wait. 5 6 9 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Here 8 0 0 8 8 9 5. It's 9. It's 9. It's 9 9 9 9 9 9. 10 minus 8 is 2. 9 9 9 9. 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 9 is 0. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9940 1199. This is the answer. That is 998 the whole cube. 998 the whole cube. 9940119992. Am I right here? Yes. Shall we move to the next question? Yeah. Look at the question number 7. Given that a plus b equal to 10. Given that a plus b equal to 10. So this is the answer for the 6th one. 7th one. Given that what it is given, a plus b equal to 10, then ab equal to 16, then find a square minus ab plus b square. Find a square minus ab plus b square, and then second one a square plus ab plus b square. Am I right? Yes. We know that a plus b the whole square is what? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Am I right here? Here a plus b is given that is 10 square, which is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. That is 10 square is 100, which is equal to a square plus b square plus 2 into ab is how much? 16. So 100 equal to a square plus b square plus 2 times of 16 is how much? 32. So 100 minus 32, that is equal to a square plus b square. So a square plus b square equal to 100 minus 32, how much dear? 68, I think so. 68, 70, 100. Yes, 68. Now what you have to find? You have to find the value of a square minus ab plus b square. A square minus ab plus b square. So that is a square plus b square minus ab. So a square plus b square already you found 68. ab is nothing but 16. So 8 minus 6 is 2. 6 minus 1 is what? 5. 52. Am I right, dear? Now find a square plus ab plus b square. A square plus ab plus b square. That means a square plus b square plus ab. So a square plus b square already we found, that is nothing but 68. Then ab is already it is given that 16. So 78 plus 6 is 84. This is the value of a square plus ab plus b square. Are you getting there? Yes. Shall we move to the next question? That is the next question is 8th part, 8th question. Factorize 2a square. It's very simple. Factorize 2a square plus root 6ab plus 3b square. 3b square. Here these 2a square is not a perfect square. A square is a perfect square. How can you write this 2a square is a perfect square? Very simple. Root 2 into root 2 is what? 2. So root 2a the whole square. Am I right here? Here. How can you write this 3? Root 3b the whole square. So now we got a square plus b square. So the middle term should be either 2ab or minus 2ab. Right? Here the sign of the middle term is what? Plus. So plus 2 into a is what? Root 2a. B is nothing but root 3b. Now see. Here I think so root 6ab is given or 2 root 6ab is given. Just a minute. In the question I did notice that. Yeah. 2 root 6ab only. 2 root 6ab. 2 root 6ab. So 2 into root 2 into root 3 is root 6. A into b is ab. So it is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. So you can write a plus b the whole square. That is root 2a plus root 3b the whole square. It is nothing but root 2a plus root 3b into root 2a plus root 3b. Now we factorize. Now we found the two factors for the given trinomial. Am I right here? Yes. Shall we move to the next one? The question number 9. It is 5a plus 3b the whole cube minus of 5a minus 3b the whole cube. Question number 9. 5a plus 3b the whole cube minus of 5a minus 3b the whole cube. Yeah. Now first you tell me what is the x plus y the whole cube? X plus y the whole cube. X cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square. Then x minus y the whole cube. That means x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square. So they asked us to subtract this one. So subtract this one. What you will get here? Minus. It will be plus, plus, minus. So this term will be cancelled, and then plus x cube minus x cube cancel. Then y cube plus y cube will be 2y cube. Then 3x square y plus 3x square y, 6x square y. Here it is x plus y the whole cube minus of x minus y the whole cube. Am I right? So x plus y the whole cube minus of x minus y the whole cube is nothing but 2y cube plus 6x square y. So here instead of x what you are having? 5a. Instead of y, 3b. Right? So what is the result? When we are subtracting these two, we are getting like 2y cube plus 6x square y. That is 2y cube. That is y cube by y means what? 3b. So 3b the whole cube plus 6 into x square. X is nothing but 5a. So 5a the whole square. 6x square. Y is nothing but 3b. That is 2 into 3 cube is 27 b cube plus 6 into 25 a square into 3b. That means 27 into 2 54 b cube. 25 into 6 I think 150. 150 into 3 is 450 a square b. Are you getting there? Yes. So when we simplify 5a plus 3b the whole cube minus of 5a minus 3b the whole cube is 54b cube plus 450a square b. 450a square b. Okay dear. Then given that x plus 1 by x is equal to 11. Question number 10. Question number 10. Given that x plus 1 by x is equal to 11, find x square plus 1 by x square and x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4, and one more thing is given. Okay, fine. Okay, x square plus 1 by x square you have to find, and then x cube plus 1 by x cube you have to find, and then x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 you have to find. 3 parts you have to find, right? Okay, fine. Now we know that, what we know, x plus 1 by x the whole square, that is equal to a plus b the whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. A square plus 2ab plus b square, that is x plus 1 by x is given that 11. So 11 square, that is equal to x square plus x you can cancel plus 2 plus 1 by x square. 11 square is nothing but 121 minus 2 is equal to x square plus 1 by x square. That means 119 equal to x square plus 1 by x square. So here we found the result for x square plus 1 by x square. Therefore x square plus 1 by x square, which is equal to 119. 119. Are you getting there? Yes. Then after that you have to find the second part. That second part is nothing but x cube plus 1 by x cube. X cube plus 1 by x cube. That is what? A cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. That is x square minus x into 1 by x plus 1 by x square. A cube plus b cube. A plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Now you can cancel this thing. Then x plus 1 by x, already it is given that 11. X square plus 1 by x square minus 1 dear. Yes. That is 11 into x square plus 1 by x square, already we found, that is 119 minus 1, that is 11 into 118. 11 into 118. So 118 into 18 is 1298. What we are getting? 1298. Am I right? Now you have to find the third one. How will you do that? Just you square this one. Which one? X square plus 1 by x square the whole square, that is equal to x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 plus 2. Square this one and then subtract 2. You will get the answer for x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4. That one please you try by your own. Okay? Yes. Now come to the last question. 11th question. It is given a plus b is 10. Last question in this worksheet. That is a plus b equal to 10, and then a square plus b square is 58. What do you have to find? You have to find the value of a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube. So a cube plus b cube means what? A plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Minus ab plus b square. So a plus b value you know. And then a square plus b square you know, but you don't know the value of ab. First you have to find out that. Okay, so we know that a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. A plus b is nothing but 10. So 10 square equal to a square plus b square. That is a square plus b square is 58. It is given for you, plus 2 times of ab. So 10 square is 100 minus 58 is equal to 2ab. 100 minus 58 is 42 is equal to 2ab. So 42 by 2, that is equal to ab. Then ab equal to 21. Am I right here? Now can you substitute the value of a b here in this? So what will you get? We are trying to find the value of a cube plus b cube. So a cube plus b cube is nothing but a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. That a plus b into a square minus ab otherwise a square plus b square minus ab. ठीक है, अभी a plus b is how much? A plus b 10, a square plus b square 58, ab how much dear? 21. Very nice. Just subtract now. 8 minus 1 7, 5 minus 2 3, 37, 10 into 37 which is equal to 370, which is equal to 370. Am I right? Okay, then tomorrow we will revise lines and angles. Okay, and then after that Monday onwards your exam will start, I think so. Okay, okay, please don't waste your time. Okay, practice well. Thank you everybody. Thank you.